Hi, my name is Peter Granberg, the Pro Audio and Software Product Manager here at Panasonic Connect. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Panasonic PTZ camera to our Panasonic ceiling array microphone. And you'll notice in this video that there's going to be a video feed coming from one of our Panasonic PTZ cameras in the bottom left. We're going to be using that in order to see the presets actually working and the native integration between our ceiling array microphone and our PTZ cameras. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that the ceiling array microphone is online and connected to the network. And you're also going to want to make sure that the Panasonic PTZ camera is on the same network as that ceiling array mic. So now that we know that, we're going to go ahead and select the Room tab. In the Room tab, I'm going to open up the training video room that I've used in previous videos. This will open up the room design window. And then from here, I'm going to skip over the coverage area tab and the audio tab because I've already previously talked about those. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the camera tab. Now, how do we connect a camera? It's pretty simple actually. So we're going to go over to this button here and select port 80. And then go ahead and select add. And then once this comes up, select auto detect. And auto detect will automatically search any camera by Panasonic that's on the same network as the ceiling array microphone. And we notice that the UE50 has been shown. So I'm going to select the UE50, select OK. And then the login ID and password is lowercase admin. Just to double check, these are the same and correct, so I select OK. And you know that the camera has been successfully connected when the camera name shows up and its IP address shows up. So now that we know that this is successfully connected, I can go ahead and start adding camera areas and assigning them to presets. For the purpose of this video, to save some time, I've already actually created some presets beforehand, and we're just going to be assigning those to the camera areas. So just to kind of show you what I've already done, I'll drag this screen over really quickly here. I have preset 001, 002, 003, and 004. Now, I'm going to go ahead and assign the default preset number to 001, which is its home position, which you're already currently seeing in the bottom left. So now that I have that set up, I can go ahead and add a camera area for the ceiling array mic, and then assign that to preset 002. Now before I do that, notice this hovering pink dot. This hovering pink dot is actually where audio is being picked up from the ceiling array mic. So I know to draw the camera area over this pink dot. So I'm going to select for ceiling array mic and go ahead and click and hold and drag this over to the pink dot. And then from here, I'm going to assign this 002. Now as soon as I assign this to 002, the camera should automatically find me and pick me up. So as I continue to speak, it heads over to me and now you can see me on camera. And as soon as I stop speaking, it should actually go back to its home preset 001, which is facing up. So I'm going to stop speaking for a moment. So just like that, we can now have working presets. And just to kind of further this concept, I'm going to add 2 more presets to have a total of 3 presets plus its home preset. So from here, it's the same process. We're going to go ahead and select add another camera area for ceiling array mic. And roughly, I'm going to draw this over here based off of where I think I might be standing behind here. So this is going to be preset 004. And I assign this to 004. And then let's go ahead and get this tested, right? So now that I have that signed up, I can go ahead and take a step back and end up in preset 004. And you notice right away that the camera's picked me up and we know that this preset is actually working. So that's great. And if I head back to where my desk is and I'm standing, it should come to this preset. And it does. So now we know that this preset is actually working, both presets. So now we're going to do the third preset. So the third preset, I'm going to do, again, the same thing. Add camera area for ceiling array mic. And then the third preset's probably going to be around here. And just to make this camera area a little bit bigger to give me some room for error, because I'm not standing where that preset is and I'm going to be guessing where the preset is, I'm going to set this up here. And then I'm going to select preset 003. So I select this here and that's been assigned. So I'm going to walk back and come into 003. So as I continue to speak, it did briefly go up to the ceiling microphone because I stopped speaking. But now that I'm further back, it's in this preset here. And if I continue to speak and walk over here, this will be the next preset. So you'll notice right away that it works pretty well. And then lastly, if I continue to speak, it'll come into its third preset and then it'll come find me at my desk. And if I stop speaking, it'll actually go back to the ceiling array microphone. And just like that, we have 4 working presets. You actually get up to 16 presets natively when you're working with Panasonic PTZ camera and a Panasonic ceiling array microphone, which is a big differentiation between the competition. There's no extra control processors needed, no extra licenses, and no extra fees. It's literally as simple as having these two talk on the same network. Now, for the purposes of this video, I just wanted to show you how to configure those presets. And now that we've done that, we can conclude this video. Thanks for joining, and my name is Peter Granberg, the Pro Audio and Software Product Manager here at Panasonic Connect. Thanks.